video tour of 4427 Alumni Avenue. Laundry is back there. Motorized gate. Tesla or EV charging station for vehicles. The tenant goes down that way. That's her number there, 4427.5. Here we go. The home was completely rebuilt in 2019. There are efficient windows, dual paned, quartz countertop. Here's bedroom number 1, little cat door or dog door. Nice sized bedroom with a closet. Kitchen with peninsula. Samsung appliances. Samsung, nice deep apron front sink. And here is one of the 2 bathrooms. Extra storage up there. LED mirrors. Closet systems. French doors that exit out to the patio. And here is the ensuite bathroom. This is the sweet little patio here. The artificial turf. That is the walkway. That is the ADU right there. Storage. Photographs of the ADU are on the MLS. There you have it.